Is your team too busy to be helpful? Can having a busy team lead to negative outcomes? I'm not talking about the busy fool syndrome where people are just too busy doing something to notice they're devoting their efforts to the wrong thing. I'm talking instead about the negative consequences of having people working at 100% capacity. From a productivity standpoint, it makes sense to load your team up with as much work as they can handle. We know what gets tracked gets done, and when we plan our projects, we aim to get our resources to deliver at full capacity in the belief that it will progress the assignment, and it works. But it works at a cost. I think we can easily understand that being very busy on tasks can impact creativity and our time for thinking and reflection, and we're becoming more aware that being too busy for too long without meaningful rest periods can also have health implications. But did you know that it can also impact on how well teams can collaborate and how helpful they are? A 1973 study called From Jerusalem to Jericho looked at the impact of busyness on how willing people are to help others. They created a scenario where the test subjects were given an assignment and then sent to another building to complete it. On their way to the other building, they would encounter a stranger slumped on the floor and in need of help. The variables of the experiment were how urgently the subjects were told to get to the other building. Some were told it was critical that they get there ASAP. Others were told to just make their way over in a more relaxed manner. The outcome was very interesting. Of the less busy cohort, 63% stopped and helped the stranger. Of the busy cohort, only 10% stopped to help. Some of that cohort even stepped over the victim. One of the conclusions of the study was that ethics becomes a luxury as the speed of our daily lives increases. So consider for a moment what this means for collaboration within a project. Can you count on your teams to help each other and stakeholders if they're already working at 100% capacity? Whilst it's easy to track time and effort on deliverables, is it so easy to track time on helping and cooperating and collaborating? The implications of this reaches beyond the realm of project management, but I think it's especially important for project and change leaders to keep this in their minds. What do you think? Is it worth sacrificing the drive for maximum productivity on the chance that collaboration and helpfulness are increased? Do you have ways to track and encourage helpfulness? Let me know in the comments. I'll be interested to know your thoughts.